Alright, so going back on the car is a brand new OEM Hondata intake manifold gasket. The reason I'm going with one of these over the Hondata or the P2R insulated gasket is because I've heard stories of those leaking online since I'm putting the car back to somewhat stock. So the one thing I'll say about the other gaskets as well, the thermal insulating gaskets, is the ports aren't cut very well. They're mostly undersized, so when you go to match it up against the head, you actually have to take an X-Acto knife and trim away a lot of material on the aftermarket ones, or it's going to like hurt your airflow. So that's one thing I had to do with the Hondata intake manifold gasket I had, was that the I had to open up pretty much every port to match the head. So if you don't look at that really carefully, you're actually really disrupting airflow to the head and actually could be losing horsepower by adding one of those gaskets. So I'm going back to OEM. I'm going to do a little test fit here, kind of see how she lines up. And as you can see, with this one, it fits perfect, and you can see a little silver around every port. Now, you didn't see that at all with the aftermarket one. They were undersized. So, I mean, you really can't beat OEM fitment. So, the thermal losses I'll get, the intake manifold will be a little warmer, a little hotter from the direct heat transfer, but I don't really think it's going to matter much, honestly. I'd much rather have a part that fits really good and have really good airflow pass than sacrificing quality and having the intake manifold stay cooler but having restricted airflow. So definitely think this is the way to go. Right here I'll do another close-up shot of how well the OEM gasket fits. So you can see I'm lining up all the holes and it matches the ports very, very well. The other one definitely did not fit nearly as nice as this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Give this video a quick thumbs up, like and share it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.